Hello everybody, and welcome back to Jaxx Bruh's collections. I have a collection that I would like to show you. Today, we are going to be going through what's in here. What's in here? You know it. Not candles, but lighters. My lighter collection. My lighter collection consists of many tools that burn things, such as candles and candles and candles. This one is the black Bic lighter. It is a standard for anyone who uses lighters. Let's see how it runs. Yeah, that's good. We have Sublime. I don't really know Sublime. All I know is that there's this one song where he doesn't practice Santeria and he doesn't have a crystal ball. It's a shame. He should really start practicing. Let's see. Yeah. Pink lighter. Pink lighter also has law on it. I think it's representing that we like a lot of singers out here, like la 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 la. This one is the baby lighter, and it was born by this lighter. When you get a black lighter that falls in love with another black lighter, they have a little baby black lighter, just like this one. And he's precious. I dropped him. It burns very bright. Ow. I just burnt my hand. I'm gonna put that down now. Smells like burnt hair. But my hands aren't hairy anymore. This video was brought to you by MPMA. When I'm really bored, I like to play Jedi matches. So this guy is Darth Maul, and this guy is the guy that has the green lightsaber, and they go The lighter doesn't work. My hand is burning, so I'm gonna put that down again. Fuck off. And last but not least, that's a battery. I don't know how the battery got in my lighter collection. I'm going to have to speak to everyone inside my house because that's not supposed to be in there. Well, that's it for my lighter collection. If anybody wants to ask me what other collections I have, they're more than welcome to. And hey, for that guy named Jake, who's actually helping me a lot with these videos, go ahead and give him a like, a subscribe, and maybe even a comment. Put on your notification bells or something. You can do everything on YouTube. So, yeah, I guess that's the end. Can I get some help?